Welcome back to the second board for activity 46. We are going to be looking at two-part bonds of 20 and filling them in part-part whole diagrams, then using these diagrams to write addition and subtraction equations. I'm going to do the first one. It has one part of 11 and the other part will be 9. So 11 and 9 is 20. And I fill this in. The parts of 11 and 9 make 20. I also know I could swap the position of the parts. 19 and 1 is 20. And I'll record this. 19 and 1 is also 20. I'm going to repeat that for each of my equations here. I will just do one more for you. I know the part of 14, so I would also place the other part, which is 6. 14 and 6 is 20. 14 and 6 is 20. Then I will swap the position of my parts to say 16 and 4 is also 20. 16 and 4 is 20. Pause the video, use your blocks and fill in the part-part whole diagrams. The next section on this board is I'm going to use the part-part whole diagrams to write the equations. Remembering for addition, it's part add part equals whole, but when we come to subtraction, the whole of 20 goes first, and then we subtract one part, and this equals the other part. I'm going to complete all the addition and subtraction equations going across. First, I know one part of 11, so the other part would be 9. Here, I'm missing a part of 9. Here, when I've swapped for my second part-part whole diagram, I know one part of 19, so I'm missing the other part. And when I swap the position of the parts, I know one part of 19, so 1 would be the other part. When we come to subtraction, let's look at this first diagram and fill in these two. I know 20, subtract 11 would be equal to 9. And I also know 20 subtract 9 is equal to 11. I look at my other part-part whole diagram to complete these two. The whole of 20, subtract the part of 19, equals the part of 1. And so does the whole of 20, subtract the part of 1, equals the part of 19. I'm going to repeat this for you for the next one. I will begin with this part-part whole diagram, and I would say 14 add 6 equals 20. Swap the parts. 6 add 14 equals 20. Moving on to my second diagram, I'll start with the 16. 16 add 4 equals 20. Swap the position of my parts. 4 add 16 equals 20. Move to subtraction, and I stop and think I need to put my whole first. 20 subtract the part of 14 equals the part of 6. 20 subtract the part of 6 equals the part of 14. Moving to my other diagram, the whole of 20 subtract the part of 16 equals the part of 4. And finally, the whole of 20. Subtract the part of 4 equals the part of 16. You can pause the video and go and complete the diagrams.